Good morning. What's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. Been a while, guys. Been a while since I've kept you updated. Been a while since I've made a video like this on this channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me to make a video like this in the comment section, so here we go. Woke up at 6 in the morning, guys, thinking it's European time, 12 p.m, but it wasn't. It was 6:30 in the morning, Canada, Toronto, and for the next couple of weeks, that's gonna be the routine, waking up early. My body clock is off, guys, because obviously my job involves me trading the US stock market open, and the US stock market opens at 9:30, so I've got 3 hours to kill. So let's go ahead and do the priorities and then get rid of them, you know, tick them off the checklist, so for the rest of the day we can have fun and enjoy life. But yeah, this is the place, guys. Let's get right into it, guys. Let's put the camera down and let's talk about the important topics that you clicked for, and hopefully you will answer some of the questions you guys have, especially if you've been following me lately and looking at my videos and trading tutorials, etc, etc. This will just be an addition to what you already know. Alright, guys, just getting that work in. You know, sometimes you do lose motivation, but all we need is that 30 minutes a day. You don't have to spend hours in the gym just to maintain, and they kind of feel good because you release some kind of dopamine. Alright, guys, so back to the apartment, time to do some work. I spent the last 30 minutes researching and analyzing after spending 30 minutes in the gym. I couldn't train for long because I was still asleep and my mind was still focused on trading. And I guess that's the bad part about trading, guys, is that it kind of occupies your life in a way. But you have to be able to manage it, right? So we're now ready to do some work. As you know, guys, I only use one laptop because I tried to narrow everything down. I tried to get rid of the rubbish, especially with the trading strategy and the style of trading that I also teach you on this channel. So have a look at my tutorials, guys. You'll know that we have a certain variables that we have to follow that will identify the place for today. And today I narrowed it down to 3 stocks, the same stocks that I, alongside the Discord chat, will be trading. And I'll show you the results actually after the trade happens. We've got 15 minutes to go. So let's get right into it, guys. I don't want to talk for long. And then after that, I'll show you the results, and also we'll talk about other things that you need to know when it comes to trading and doing this for a living in the long term. Alright, guys, so I'm out of the trade now. 1,400. I'm done with that World Wrestling Entertainment, WWE. As expected, done exactly as what we expected, guys. And here's the chat room so far. The same trade as me. That was a pattern 3, guys. Well done. It's been a tough week, so this is a great way to end the week, guys, with some green. Alright. So some are paper trading, still practicing, others are real, wherever you see real. Yeah, it's been a tough week, guys. It's been a tough week, especially with that virus thing. It's kind of spreading a lot of fear in the market. But I'm proud of everyone so far, guys. Yeah, well done, guys. There'll be more to come, as you can tell. More people are typing. This is the second profitable trade of this week. Now, I don't know when I'll upload this video, but this week, on Monday and Tuesday, I took a hit. Doing something that I said not to do, which is trading stocks and setups that don't have a higher probability rate, higher success rate. And I deserve those losses. You know, it was my fault. Because I said this before, guys, the less you trade, the more you make, which means the less times you spend in the... Look, obviously, the more you're in the market, the more trades you make in the market, the higher the probability of you losing money, because it's just the way it is. But if you trade those perfect setups that have higher probability rate of success, because like I said in many videos, guys, day trading is just like gambling, right? In order to eliminate the idea of gambling, you need to find an edge over the market, and this edge just simply means that you need to find patterns and behaviors that occur time and time again and repeat themselves, because history always repeats itself, and that kind of takes the whole gambling out of it. Alright, guys, so I just came back from outside. I found $100 in my pocket, and I thought, let me just go shopping, grocery shopping. Because usually, guys, doing what we do, it's always fast food, you know. Because you don't have to clean, you don't have to cook. It's fast food. That's all you're going to be eating. It does take a toll on you. Your energy level does drop. And even mentally, but I'm aware of what I'm doing, guys. This is how the fridge currently stands. It's empty, guys. It just got orange juice, yogurt, and I don't know what that is. You've probably seen this fridge in multiple videos, guys. It's always the same, just because I don't really have time to cook. It takes a lot of time. You know, I'm just focused on what I'm doing 24/7. Get the work done and then go out to eat. But today I actually went shopping, so let me show you what I got. This literally, guys, costs, all of this costs $83, right? So if you're wondering how much Canada, or how expensive Canada is, I don't know, $83. And basically we got some strawberries and thingies. I got a pie, because I'm one of those guys that shows you the healthy lifestyle and then eats a burger in the background. Okay, this is for lunch today. It's healthy, but it's takeaway. Grapes. I usually eat these before I make it open. Some bananas, some more fruit. Mini cucumbers. If you're a smoker, you want to quit smoking, get yourself occupied with these. Some vitamin water, guys. You know, Canada got me moisturizing and whatnot. It's too cold out here. Some milk, Fruit Loops, and some apple juice. And I'm not making this up, guys. This is $83. Now, sure enough, you can go shop somewhere else that's cheaper. But if you're wondering how expensive Canada is, well, this is it. In euro, it will be obviously cheaper. But again, if you're living here, I mean, this is expensive for many people. Did I tell you about the pie? Yeah, I did, didn't I? But anyways, yeah, these are just snacks. I don't know, guys. It's gonna last me 2 days, because I eat a lot, especially when I spend a lot of time at home. Because that's what I do, guys. It's work, 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 and then when you see the fun stuff, you know, that's just kind of the occasional day or two. I socialize at nighttime. That's what I do. But anyways, I'm gonna leave this video here, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you got value, got an insight into my life. If you have any questions regarding trading, I'm gonna leave some tutorials in the description when it comes to day trading. But this is the lifestyle. I want you to be prepared for it. You know, sure enough, some of you have wives and girlfriends that cook for you. That's sexist, isn't it? But again, that's the reality. None of you guys be cooking. None of you guys cook. Alright? Alright, guys, so hopefully you got a little insight into my life. As you can tell, my face is gone all red because the heater is on and outside is cold. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, guys, smashy smashy. If you got value, smash that like button, show your boy some love. Let me know if you have any other questions. I will not be answering them. Hopefully this video already answered a lot of these questions. I've actually answered majority of the questions that you actually need in all the videos, so have a look at my other tutorials. Yeah, here's a little tip, guys. Trading can get frustrating. Trading can get a little stressful, especially as a beginner. You know, you can feel like giving up because losses do take a toll on you. And look, if you can't manage it now, then you're not going to be able to manage it in the future, because you will incur losses in the future. It's bound to happen, almost guaranteed. Doesn't matter how advanced, doesn't matter how, you know, how experienced you are, you'll always be able to take a loss. But if you have a system in place, if you have some kind of business plan in place, you'll always be able to come out profitable by the end of the month. And that's what matters. It's the end of the month, guys. You know, I know when you look at your account and you just grew it by 8,000 or 10,000, you say to yourself, I just made 10,000. But that's not the final figure, because you'll always have expenses during the month, and the expense is going to be the losses or the commission or whatever it is, right? So sure enough, you might take a loss, but you'll be able to recover the next day or next few days, depending how big your loss and how I guess aggressive you were in your trade. And if you didn't manage your risk, right, then you'd have to spend a week to kind of recover a loss. But if you manage risk properly, and you're taking 2% on average a day, or 1% on average a day, and you only took a 2% loss, then you'll be able to recover the next day. Alright? So, gotta go, guys. Appreciate you for watching. If you know where I am, let me know. I'll give you a little hint over there. Let me know in the comment section. It's gonna actually snow. You can see, guys, the sky is a little fogged up. The weather says it's gonna snow. So, next video, or on Instagram, I'll update you guys when it does snow. So, yeah, I'll see you again.